In 1994, Peter Shor wrote humanity a letter from the future. Every encryption protecting your world, every bank transfer, every state secret, every text message has an expiration date. For 30 years, almost nobody listened. This week, the world finally wrote back. Adversaries are not waiting for quantum computers to arrive. They are harvesting your encrypted data right now, storing it, ready to decrypt it the moment quantum hardware matures. The attack is already underway. It is just slow. Post-quantum cryptography is not a future problem. It is today's emergency. Think of it this way. Post-quantum cryptography is like discovering in 1990 that every lock ever made has a hidden flaw, and that someone is already building the key. You cannot wait until the key exists to change the locks. By then, every door is already open. NIST's 2022 post-quantum standards are the new locks. This week's research is the race to install them everywhere, fast. And while cryptographers raced to rebuild the world's locks, inside hospitals something quieter and more profound was happening. Doctors were looking up from their screens. Studies show physicians spend 49% of their working hours on documentation, nearly half their lives, typing notes instead of touching patients. One hospitalist called it death by 1,000 clicks. This week's AI scribe paper is not theoretical. It measured real changes. Clinician time recovered, visit quantities shifted, eye contact restored. Microsoft paid $19.7 billion for Nuance in 2022, betting the most transformative AI in medicine would not be diagnosis. It would be paperwork. This week, the data proved them right. A $300 billion medical administration industry just felt the ground suck. 134 research papers, 110 funding awards, one unmistakable signal. Quantum, AI, cybersecurity, biotechnology, fusion, these are no longer parallel lanes. They are converging. A $412,000 federal grant for fault-tolerant quantum compilers, a $560,000 award for many-body entanglement complexity. The foundational physics of a new computational era is being funded right now, and in a field dismissed for decades, vindication arrived in slow motion. The Wendelstein 7X stellarator, a twisted, counterintuitive reactor the mainstream fusion world called a curiosity, broke energy confinement records in 2023. This week, a paper declared stellarators leading fusion candidates. Fuel from seawater, no carbon, no scarcity, power for billions of years. The same AI cracking pro. Every breakthrough this week is simultaneously a solution to one problem and a catalyst for three more. AI defends quantum encryption and accelerates quantum threats. Fusion ends energy scarcity and reshapes every geopolitical order built on oil. Biology learns to rewrite its own code. The question underneath all of it is the oldest question in the history of human invention. Are we wise enough?